How to create a batch file in Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Notepad, and as shown on screen, copy and paste it on your Notepad. If you want, you can simply pause it and then take a screenshot, go to Google Lens and copy it as a text. After that, open Notepad and simply paste it. In Notepad, go to File, then click on Save As. Add file name as anything. As you can see, I have added important file, and after your name is done, simply click on .bat and save as type should be text document. After you're done saving, save as type as well. Simply click on save. After that, go to files and folders and search for the same file. Open the file and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As shown on screen, press on enter, press any key and you're good to go. This is how to create batch file on your Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.